Okay guys, now you can practice dictionary by yourself. So here, what's the point? We will practice a dictionary. So at first you will create a dictionary called My Friends. Use your friend's name as a keys. So for example, Harry, John, Jane, and so on. It's up to you. Use their favorite colors as values. You can think it up, of course, it doesn't have to be true. So think up some names and put here some values of the colors. Print the favorite color of one of your friend. It's up to you which one. Add a new friend with their favorite color. So you need to think up another name and another color. Change one existing friend's favorite color. And after that, something completely new. We have never done it in the previous video. So print all keys. So try that. My friends dot keys. Print all values. My friends dot values. Print all pairs. Try my friends dot items and brackets. So try these options, try these codes, and you will see what will come up. I guess that you already know what will be the result. Okay, so now you can stop the video or pause the video, and I will do it as well. So let's go. So the first thing, and one more thing, don't forget that the code will be in the textbook as well, okay? And the link to the textbook is in the video description. So now the work. Create a dictionary called My Friends, okay? So it goes something like My Friends, okay? I would put here, for example, Emma. The color will be blue. After that, Tom, for example, green, and Sophia, and her favorite color will be red, for example. Okay, perfect. So that's it. Okay, we have 3. You can have 4, 5, 6. It's up to you. Print the favorite color of one friend. So I will print my friends, and for example, Sophia. It's a beautiful name. I will run it. Red. Okay, it's correct. Sophia is red. Add a new friend with a favorite color. So we need to put there someone new. So my friend, for example, Liam, or how you pronounce it in English, Liam. So it will be yellow. Okay, perfect. So only for sure I can print my friends and check it if it's correct. Okay, Emma, Tom, Sophia, Liam. We can see that the new value or the new pair key value is here. Great, perfect, I like it. Change one existing friend's favorite color. Okay, so we need to change it. So it's interesting because I suppose that we never done it before. So it goes like my friends, for example, Emma, and again is equal to something like pink, for example. So it means you took the Emma key and the blue will be changed to pink. So I will print it again. So we have never done it before, but it's possible to figure it out how to do that, right? Because we know how to reach the key or the value, and now in this situation we just need to change it for something existing. Okay, so my friends, Emma, and equal to pink. We can run it. Emma was blue at first, and now Emma is pink. Okay, perfect. And now we will try this. So I will print my friends' keys. So I suppose that it will print out keys of the dictionary, correct? Okay, Emma, Tom, Sophia, Lion. Perfect. What about the values? We'll run it. Here we have values: pink, green, red, yellow. Nothing, no surprise here, right? Nothing special. And items, so it should be key and value. Emma pink, Tom green, Sophia red, Lion yellow. But you can see it's in a different in a different shape, right? So the structure is different, but we will talk about it later. Okay, so now it's correct, perfect. So I hope you like it. I hope you were able to do that, and we will see in another video.